In the early decades of the 16th century, Florence became a lively centre for the production of terracotta sculptures made expressly for display in private houses. Few wealthy homes of the time did not house at least one terracotta, in high relief or in the round, dedicated to themes of Christian devotion or civic pride. This figure of St. John the Baptist reflects the intense religious and patriotic affection nurtured by Florentine society towards the Baptist. He was, after all, the Tuscan city's patron saint, and so was a popular subject. Benedetto di Rovezzano was one of the most important sculptors of the High Renaissance. Through his commissions from across Europe, he played an important role in disseminating the visual language of the Italian Renaissance. This remarkable St. John the Baptist was made in Florence during the time when Leonardo, Michelangelo and Raphael worked there side by side. Professor Francesco Cagliotti has argued that Rovezzano has been underappreciated as a sculptor in terracotta due to his propensity for marble in his earlier career and for the quantity of cast metal works which suited the desires of his Tudor clientele for whom he worked during his sojourn in England. The quality and finish of this terracotta, however, proves that Rovezzano was a sculptor accustomed to this medium like no other. He was a true master of the genre. With its lively modelled hair and detailed, characterful physiognomy, this sculpture exemplifies the Renaissance ideal of youthful beauty. The young and handsome St. John wears a camel-skin tunic and looks to the side with an exalted expression. The dynamic pose of the young saint is juxtaposed with the stony setting of the carved base of the sculpture. Rovezzano's bare rocks and gnarled tree roots evoke the biblical account of the Baptist's life in the desert, and we can see the head of a serpent emerging from a crevice. Other examples of terracotta works by Rovezzano can be found in the collections of leading institutions such as the Bargello Museum in Florence and the Wallace Collection and Victoria and Albert Museum in London. Presented by Colnaghi for TAFAF Online 2021, this terracotta St. John the Baptist is undoubtedly one of the best examples of early Renaissance sculpture currently on the market.